Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 11 on 12 days of Liller-Ween. On today's video, I have another kind of like giveaway goodies to share with you guys. We're not going to be making anything because I've been working on a project for the actual October 31st that is taking more time than I expected. So I'm just going to show you guys the giveaway for today. And all you have to do is enter down below, enter me, and you will be entered to win this little book here that I made. It is a shaker in the front. When you open it up, there's goodies and stuff. I think I've shown this on my video before, but you will get two little fence embellishments in one of the pockets. When you turn it this way, you get two bag toppers. When you go in this pocket, you get two mini memory dex cards. It was gonna be tongue-tied. Let me see if I can fix them. Because I have some sequins in them. So it goes one up there and one down here. Yes. So it's two mini memory dex cards. Those will be going right in there. You open it up, you get this little baggie here, and there is, let's see what's in here. We have two rosettes. So we have this one, and we have this one that says boo. That's in the little baggie. And then we get this little tag here that says hello beautiful, and then a circle embellishment with a little skeleton that says beware. So those are the goodies inside this little baggie. And that goes in that little pocket. So it's kind of like a little embellishment book right here. See that? So you will be getting that. In here, you have some pieces of the ephemera from the Simple Stories Say Cheese Halloween kit. So that's what's in here. It's a little shaker envelope. But yeah, you guys, you will be winning this little book filled with all the goodies, and the shaker in the front, and then in the back it just says happy Halloween. But yeah, you guys, that's today's giveaway. Please leave a comment down below if you want to be entered, and stay tuned for our last and final day, which will be on Thursday, October 31st. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.